Well, hello again. Tonight we got some aluminum bronze on the Unimat SL1000. We're going to take a stab at it with the same 10-degree tool that I use for brass without the top rake on it. This is the pointed tool. 850 RPMs. We'll click in 4,000 step to cut here. This is a really heavy cut. Getting just the slightest of chatter out of it. It's because this is way too deep for this tool. But we just love to push the envelope around here. Make that chatter go away by giving a little bit harder feed there. Alright, so let's take a realistic cut here without stressing this thing out. So we got 2 4,000s here. Pretty generous feed right here. This 10-degree tool is not affected by this aluminum bronze whatsoever. For those not in the know, aluminum bronze is pretty much near indestructible. It doesn't seem to machine too bad even with the same bronze tool, but it is much tougher and much harder than most of the brasses that you'll ever run across. Here's another one for the 10-degree tool. This does not have any top rake on it. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're back at the SL1000. We still have the aluminum bronze in here. I flipped the 10-degree tool around and I kind of altered the shape of the tip of the tool. This one, instead of being a very large radius, is now a very small radius up at the tip of this. The reason being is we're going to try and reduce some of the chatter. What we ended up doing as well is we turned down the RPMs here to 850, and we're going to take a pass here. 4,000s. Right, well, let me dial in 4,000s. And this is a relatively rapid advance here, and this tool is not having a problem with this aluminum bronze whatsoever. Now this is a pretty deep depth of cut here, getting a little bit of chatter, so I'll increase my speed here. Even fully loaded, it's still not having a problem here. I would not recommend taking all those depths of cut on your machine unless you're trying to push the limits. Okay, so let's just make a real small cut here. And this would probably be a nice all-around cut, and the nice thing about this tool is it will cut in both directions. Take all the spring out of it right now. Take a look at the finish. Yeah, no, that is like glass. Very, very nice finish on aluminum bronze. And if regular brass would be a scale of 100, this aluminum bronze would be 60 on that same scale. So It's a little bit more difficult than brass to turn, but this tool has no problem with taking it off or imparting a mirror-like finish. Once again, thank you so much for watching.